We're here in Sanford, Florida at a Toll Brothers community. We're by the river and it's a gated community. Absolutely gorgeous homes in here. This is definitely the Toll Brothers difference. Come on in and take a look. We're here in Sanford, Florida, right by the river, the St. Johns River. This is Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers has a really nice spot here in Florida. They have a canal that they're cleaning up right now to make it boat worthy to get out to the St. Johns River. Absolutely fantastic gated community over here in Toll Brothers in Sanford by the river. So we're at a Ferncroft. It's a 4-3. Come on in and take a look. So as we walk into the Ferncroft, you'll notice that we have a really wide, grand hallway, and it gives you the feeling of a wide open space. So off to the left here, we have our first bathroom and our first bedroom, which is a secondary bedroom. These are really nice size bedrooms. All of these are really nice size bedrooms. They're oversized bedrooms, so you can really fit whatever kind of large furniture you have here in the Toll Brothers. Really beautiful closets, not these little dinky things. You can actually fit stuff in these closets. Beautiful ceramic flooring. They're still working on this one, so there's a bunch of punch list things to be completed, but it's really nice. So over here, this would be the really nice formal dining area. You'd have your kitchen table here. And again, it's a wide open feel. You have the living area and a wide open kitchen area with the stone countertops and the farmhouse sinks. They're really deep farmhouse sinks. Over here we have a nice sized pantry to put all your stuff in. I like the glass doors too. It makes it really nice. Over here is a flex room, so you can make this an office. It doesn't have a closet over here, so an office or a playroom or whatever you want to make it. It's really cool. All the cabinets are 42-inch cabinets, really nice, and the drawers. I thought they were soft touch drawers. It feels like they are. They are. They close on their own. So this is a really awesome house. You can see how much quality they actually put into a Toll Brothers versus the other builds. So we have a nice little, well, it's not little, I guess. It's a nice lanai in the backyard, nice space out here. And that's all preserved, so nobody's ever going to build in the back over here. So it has a nice little yard, manageable. Come on in and let's go to the second floor. This is where all the living happens upstairs. All right, so when we get up to the second floor here, we have a nice area where you can have another living room or a playroom for the kids, whatever you want to make this area. A nice loft area. And then we have 2 bedrooms on this side, and they're really big bedrooms on both sides here. Nice sized closets in both. Like the sliding doors. They're actually real wood doors. Very nice pattern on that. Over here, we have the laundry area with a nice folding table, so you can fold while you're washing and drying. It's a pretty nice laundry setup. So nice sized bathroom, walk-in shower, stone counters where you can put all your makeup and blow dryers and all that good stuff. And in here, this is our third bedroom on this. Well, we're on the second floor. So this one has a walk-in closet, and it has a nice space for the walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. All right, so this is the master bedroom. This is a huge master bedroom. You can fit anything in here you want. You can even put a nursery and a bedroom in here. It's that big. So you have a his and a hers closet, both huge closets on both sides. Nice walk-in closets. And here it's a really huge bathroom. You have a separate toilet room and a really large shower area, and a dual sink with lots of storage in the drawers. Soft touch clothes again. But this is a really nice master bath. So we have underneath the stair storage, so you can store all your Christmas stuff in here, and it goes deep underneath here, and there's storage all the way back there. It is pretty awesome storage. So this is the garage on this side. It's a pretty nice oversized garage. It's a garage for sure. Nice echo in here. This here is area. And so you launch your boat there, and as you can see, they're already starting to make it wider so you can fit a real boat in here. Right now it's just for maybe a canoe or something small, but they're making it wide so you can actually get to the St. Johns River with a boat. So that's going to be a huge, huge plus. So right by the boat launch, we have a beautiful, a nice area to sit out. This is the clubhouse. Can't get in, I don't have a key for it, but you need a key swab to be able to get in.